Here's Riot Mobile app. It's the official companion app for Riot games, personalized to keep you connected to the players, content, and events you care about most. Made to support League of Legends, Valorant, Wild Rift, Teamfight Tactics, and Legends of Runeterra, the companion app is your one-stop shop to discover new experiences, learn about major updates, and organize play across all of Riot's titles. Organize play, discover new experience, multi-game news, as esports on the go, earn rewards, monitor stats with match history. So yeah, you can then just open it up and let's take a look. So here you can sign up with all of these accounts: Apple, Google, Facebook, Xbox, PlayStation, or Riot account. And then let's just try to sign in here. See how it looks like. So you can link existing account or you can create Riot account. So you can just go in here and, for example, you just enter so then you just can accept and create an account easily. Whatever. And then you're in the app. So here you can sort by games. You can see all of the updates for like Runeterra, all of these games, and then you can filter them out. So League of Legends, Legends of Runeterra, Valorant, Wild Rift. So you just select all of it in here. Then you have esports in here, so that's your idea. Then you have streams. Then you have social, where you can add friends. So you can just enter Riot ID and add friends, and then there is your profile where you can add it. And then there are settings. You can delete your account. You can, have all your friends list. Just like social element. And yeah, this is kind of like a social app / community for your favorite games, which I described. And then you have like different posts, different updates for specific games you have in here. And then you have esports, and then you have streams, and all of you can see it's not like million of views, like it's few thousand here, few thousand there. It's not like YouTube or Twitch, but it's very niche kind of community app. Then you have social. You can add friends. You can then just search tagline. So here you see that my Riot ID and a tagline is just like that. So then you can always change it, I guess. So you can copy the link. You can set a status. So that's the app. Pretty cool, right? So you can always try it out. So give it a try. It's called Riot Mobile. It's in top charts. You can see some very positive rating, 4.8 out of 5. The app is the best. Attention Riot games, challenge Riot stuff. So there are some bugs and glitches, seems like that, but overall it's okay. So try it out if you're a fan of those games.